Hey guys, this is Sydney, and in this video I'm going to give you some updates about my olsp system journey. It's been amazing, and I want to share with you how I am making this kind of money as well. And this is one of my methods so far, and as you can see here, today I made another sale and I also request a payment for today. So now I want to share with you the method that I am using, and it's pretty easy. Anybody can do this. Okay, so are you ready? And here you go. I use Instagram. Okay, and this is the types of posts that I am posting on Instagram. It is completely faceless, and as I told you, anybody can do this, right? And I gotta build this one from the scratch, and I have been testing so many different strategies, and this one is working for me. So I think that you should try so you can conclude that which one is working for you as well. And this is my income disclaimer. It based on my hard work, and also it requires some luck as well for social media, I gotta say. Okay, so here is how I do it. So you see, every single day I will post from 1 to 3 videos like this on my Instagram. I need to set up it right, and I will have my link in bio right here. And when someone visit my link, they will be redirected to this squeeze page where people can enter their email, and after that they will be redirected to this link. Okay, and it's not the whole picture. And if you can see here, this is what I want to give you. Okay, now if you look at this, I drive traffic organically from Instagram. Then people will go to this squeeze page like this, and they will be redirected to this olsp side hustle page. So remember, the keywords here is side hustle. So all of these videos that I am making on this Instagram is about sharing side hustle idea, and I give them the best side hustle that I'm working on is the affiliate marketing with the olsp system and Instagram. And after that, they will be here with the side hustle and one link and 7 passive income streams. And this is a landing page from the olsp system. So as you can see, they are all congruent with each other, right? And of course, I will have a series of email sequence, and I will tell them to go to this page. You see that? So this is the whole picture. And if you want to get started today, you can do it right away. You can go to the link in my description to first join olsp. Okay, make sure you join with my link because it's really important, so I can give you all of my support and also my bonuses as well. And as you can see, here are my bonuses. I will give you 2 main traffic sources that I'm using to gain daily leads. Okay, and you will get for those guide, it will be my list of organic strategies on Facebook that I use to promote not only the olsp system but also my other products as well. And of course, I will show you the exact method that how I gain 20 leads a day on Instagram. It's actually the one that you have just watched, but it will be in detailed. Okay, and you will get a list of 90 Facebook groups to advertise your link. From my observation, the post that you are posting on Facebook group with the olsp system can be converting pretty well. If you are consistent, you will get sales from that, and you will get my done for you post and videos, so you can just copy and paste. Yes, I'm telling you, this is for real. You will get my done for you post for Facebook, so you can post it on your Facebook page, and you can also post it on Facebook groups. Okay, and you will get my done for you videos like this one. Okay, exactly like this one. I will allow you to download my videos, and of course it will not have my brand here. Okay, there is no watermark at all. When you join with me, you will get all of those done for you videos. I will give you my templates as well. Okay, so that you can just copy and paste it on your Instagram. I really want you to succeed. Okay, so you just need to be consistent. Listen to me, because this is free traffic, so consistency is a must. Okay, And next, I have my rebuild funnels to build my email list, and also I will give you the templates to build everything. Okay, so you just need to plug in and play. You don't need to build it from the scratch because I already give it to you. And you also get access to my Facebook Messenger, and you can ask me anything. Okay, I'm here to help. Okay, just message me if you have any question. And even now you are still wondering something, you don't understand something about the OLSP system, you just need to reach out to me on my Facebook right here and make sure you are on the right page, because I have tons of cloned profiles. So make sure you don't get to the wrong one. So I want you to avoid scams at any cost. Okay, and next you will have the opportunity to promote this amazing offer. And may I forget that you can earn 25 cents per comment on Facebook, okay, with this program. I really love it because with that, everybody can earn with this system. So think about this. If you make 28 comments, that means your $7 is back. So everything that you are getting from me is basically free. All of them are free, right? So now go to Comment Dominator Pro here. And as you can see, I have made so far 215 comments, and I already get approved with $51.25. So I made a lot of profits back, right? And here are the 3 simple steps, and I make another videos on my YouTube channel, and you just go there to watch out. Okay, so many comments right here that still waiting for approved. Okay, so that's it. It's pretty simple to earn money with this OLSP system. Just click the link below in the description and join it, and let me know. After you join me, you can contact me on Facebook, so you can get all of my bonuses and of course my support as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope that helps. This is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.